Hey guys, how you doing everyone? So if you're watching this video, looks like you might have a problem with your vehicle. And today I would like to show you how to fix the faulty code. It's a P0301. I'm working on a 2003 Mitsubishi Outlander. So the vehicle is running, but it's rough, not enough power, and the engine working so weird. So I scan with my scanner and it show me misfire detected, and a faulty code is P0301. So guys, I don't know what you're gonna have on your vehicle, what kind of problem is your car have, but I will show you what I got so you guys can see it and maybe it will help you. So let me show you one thing here. As the spark plugs, that's what I figured out on my car. The spark plugs was bad. Let's check it out. Okay, right here there is two spark plugs right here, one of them and another one, and this is the coils. So the coil work for two spark plugs right there, one coil for two cylinders. So I bought the new one. I will show you the new one right here, and I will show you my old one. Look at that right there. Look how nasty it looks like. And this is the another one. It's a little bit better, but telling you the same thing. Here you go. The engine runs great now. You can hear that. And now we're gonna go and clear the codes we have here. All right, so saying erase done. There you go. Check engine light is gone. Alright guys, so if that video will help you to fix your problem, and just put a like and subscribe to our channel if you like, and good luck.